JP Morgan record profit, stock lower. Goldman Sachs beast estimates, stocks lower. Why is Morgan Stanley any different? Laura Keller, Bloomberg banking reporter, joins us now with the highlights. Laura.
Hey there, John. Yeah, just listening in on the Morgan Stanley call here. It's just getting started. But I want to give you some highlights from what happened this morning when Morgan Stanley did give us the first quarter report, which of course showed us some record profit. That was what James Corman decided to start off the call with, which is what I would do too if I had record profit in the quarter. Really great there. You also had, of course, the beat in fixed income and in equity trading. So that was really great for Morgan Stanley, also matching and beating in some respects some of its peers on Wall Street. Wealth management revenues also increased. That was something that analysts were looking for to be a little bit higher, but those did increase overall. And then you also had the best investment banking business on Wall Street, a better showing there at Morgan Stanley than any of our other Wall Street firms this quarter. And that is something that was helped, of course, by the revenue coming from advising on deals and also from underwriting new stocks and new bonds at Morgan Stanley.
Laura Keller, for the earnings so far, has the bar just been too high? Because the response in the market has been, yeah, OK, that's not enough, even though it's been record after record for some of these banks.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, Morgan Stanley is not the only one who's reported a record profit. We've had JP Morgan and Bank of America as well. But you haven't seen all of the banks really do all that well in terms of the stock going forward in the day. You've had some dips intraday here. So we'll see where Morgan Stanley ends up. You do have this phenomenon, too, where, investors and analysts want to hear certain things on the call. And if they're not hearing those things on the call, then you're not going to see a really great rise in the stock despite those great net income numbers.